Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz CLA versus the Ford Mustang. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle unique, focusing on their core strengths. We'll explore their performance capabilities, interior features, and overall driving experience. This comparison will help you decide which car best suits your preferences and lifestyle. Get ready to discover the distinct advantages of both the CLA and the Mustang. When it comes to performance, these two cars offer very different experiences. The Mercedes-Benz CLA, even in its AMG variants, provides a refined and agile ride, perfect for city driving and spirited commutes. On the other hand, the Ford Mustang, especially with its V8 engine, is built for raw power and exhilarating straight-line speed. It delivers a thrilling, visceral driving sensation that's hard to match. Consider your driving style to see which fits best. Stepping inside, the CLA immediately impresses with its luxurious cabin and cutting-edge technology. You'll find high-quality materials, a sleek M-Bux infotainment system, and ambient lighting that creates a sophisticated atmosphere. The Mustang, while also modern, leans into its heritage with a driver-focused cockpit and available digital instrument clusters. Both cars provide comfortable seating and a range of safety features, but the CLA often feels a bit more upscale in its execution. It's a matter of preference. Considering value and practicality, the CLA often comes with a higher initial cost, reflecting its luxury branding. The Mustang, while still a significant investment, can offer more bang for your buck in terms of raw power and performance. For daily usability, both cars have their merits, but the Mustang's larger trunk in some configurations might be a plus. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities and budget.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.